After changing filter, real face came.
Wow, trailer was nice, right? Movie तो अभी बाकी है. Amigos, welcome back to Nesa Reddy's Daily Vlogs. So previously on YouTube we have seen Udupi Sri Krishna Temple and also Mangalore Beach, so on and so many places you can check out previously and come back here. And after this we decided to go to Murdeshwar. I mean on the way to Gokarna, right? It's almost on the way to Gokarna, so we decided to visit Murdeshwara temple and from there we are going to Gokarna. So on the way while traveling already everybody was so tired. You can see how sleepy they are because it was difficult to stay or sleep for more time because we have to explore more places, and also having food also 3 times we are not at all having foods, we are just having for 2 times or something, that's all. And on the way we also saw these stones, beautiful and amazing, and I have heard the story about this to actually stop the speed or to stop the what do you call wave length and all that is they have placed these stone systems because sometimes tsunami and all those things happens and waves will be higher than usual. In that scenarios these stones will actually reduce the pressure of the waves so that it will not affect much on the roads. Usually people say water can cut anything like stones, rocks, mountains, and also beaches, so on and so forth. To control it somehow they have placed it so beautifully. It looks actually kind of amazing, and it is the anchor kind of shape, so many beaches are there in between the anchors. It was really looking amazing. So we just stopped for 10-15 minutes in between because we are already late to Murdeshwar. We have to go there and also think if we can actually stay there or not because we have to go to Gokarna as well, and days are finishing and we have to reach Gokarna. It's been already 3-4 days that we didn't reach. So on the way we will just see Murdeshwara temple, and from there we'll directly go to Gokarna and thinking to stay there itself. Let's see if we can able to find a tent stay near the beach or not. See, we almost entered the Gokarna. Sorry, we almost entered the Murdeshwara temple. Actually, we are planning to go to Gokarna from so long time that we are just stopping by in between and it's getting late or delayed to go to Gokarna. That is why I'm always getting that Gokarna instead of all other places. So finally we reached Murdeshwara, and this huge temple, you can see the spectacular Shiva. You can see behind the temple, this is all Murdeshwara temple, and there's a huge god statue, Shiva statue in the Murdeshwara, just to see that so many people come here. And also it is connected to the beach. That is one of the most beautiful thing. And also you can take car to the beach. Can you believe that? That is most wonderful thing, and I really love it. And this is the temple. It looks beautiful but quite crowded this time. Maybe we came in the wrong time or something, that we are actually feeling it's quite crowded. See Shiva, it is so huge. Can you see it? This is one of the biggest Shiva temples in Karnataka, and also there is one more called as Koti Lingeshwara. Other than this, there are no bigger temples than this. Can you see how big the statue is? I am really wondering how they really build this statue. They could have, I don't know, it's a kind of huge monument, right? Each and everything should be in a right shape. It's not just like a straight building or something. It has to be in a beautiful shape, and it's also like it's in the park. You can see so many stories, pictures, so on and so forth inside the temple, and it is really looking kind of guha vibe. You can get that olden cave kind of vibe wherein Shiva was doing the prarthana, or the Vishnu is also standing. So many, you can see all kind of gods avatars and how they are actually helping people and how they are actually living. See Shiva and Parvati, Ganesh, everything, all the monuments were so beautifully structured, and it was really looking so nice. It's like you have come here to the watching a story of pictures, like one by one. It was really looking amazing, and this is the top view from that temple, and you can see so much of place and almost a whole beach from here. And beach is almost connected inside, from inside the temple itself. You can just walk little bit down like this way, and you can directly go to the beach. And also, as I told you guys, you can directly take your vehicle to the beach, because I don't know why this is a huge beach and water is actually way too ahead of the beach. Looks like water reduced here, kind of, right? And parking is in the beach. That is one of the nicest thing. And if you really want to touch water, you have to walk quite a lot. It's like almost 450 meters or 500 meters you have to walk ahead to even touch the water. All parking area is filled with vehicles and parking, because water is not at all coming that far. Looks like it started reducing, because last time when I came, looks like it was really more than this. Water was quite more. It's reduced a bit, and beach is going this way, so that it's increasing. Beach is increasing. So me and my friend Mubina started building a small fort, as we wanted to build Taj Mahal, but I don't know whether it will turn out to be Taj Mahal or something else. But we really enjoy playing, and beach is actually quite far from here. Like water waves and all are quite far from here. This way parking is also far from here. We stopped in between and started doing this crazy game, trying to take out these things. And also, yeah, little bit, if we dig into the mud itself, water is actually seen. Like you can actually see the water, and if you leave it like that for some time, the pure water comes up. It was kind of really nice, and we really liked it. Usually in most of the beaches you will not get water like this, until unless it is quite near to the water waves. This is actually quite far, and yet mud is actually kind of wet. But I don't know what is this dark thing which is looking like this. Some kind of dark things are coming. Hope this is not some dirty thing or something. I just hope it's not someone's potties washed things or something shit. But why is it looking so dark here and there? I'm actually not sure. But let's see, we though enjoyed playing like this. Have you ever played like this in the beach? Let me know in the comments if you have, because don't lose the kid in you ever in your life. So we tried to build Taj Mahal, but it turned out to be something else. But it was looking beautiful, so we thought it's as a win. See, so much of water, and two mountains we built. One is by Mubina and one is by me. And also we started playing in the beach. And thank you so much for watching so far. Please hit that subscribe button, and if you're going towards Gokarna, do not miss this Murdeshwara beach and also temple, because this is one of the most beautiful temples and a biggest Shiva temple. If you're Bhakta or devotee of Shiva, do not miss this place. It is so amazing, and if you ever want to drive in the beach, and this is the right place. Thank you so much for watching so far. Please subscribe, support. See you guys tomorrow. Toodles.